Hey guys, thank you for visiting my channel, Medical Assistant with Miss K. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. My name is Kendra, aka Miss K, and I'm a medical assistant instructor. If you're a returning visitor or subscriber, welcome back. So today I'm going to be answering a question. It says, thank you, Miss K, for continuing sharing valuable things. May you help me to clarify, does studying a medical program completely online reduce the chance, I guess they're saying reduce the chance of me being accepted into externship and the job itself because there's no hands-on training? Could you shed some light on this? So you guys been watching me for a while. You already know how I feel about online only programs. I do not like programs where you get no hands-on training. And I will say, to be honest, yes, if you have no hands-on training, it does lower your chances of finding something, but it does not completely eliminate your chances of finding something, okay? I want to say that I want to keep it real with you and let you know that, yes, it'll be more difficult, but it's not impossible, okay? I do know some people who have completed online-only programs, and they've been able to find jobs. And I've actually addressed this in other videos on this channel, and if I could find them, I will link them below this video. But I just want to say that if you're already in the program, yes, you can still find something. If you don't have an externship, you don't get any hands-on experiences in the real world. The purpose of externship is that it's another class, it's a part of your program, and it gives you that chance to get hands-on experience in the field, okay? There's a certain amount of hours you have to complete. Externship is one of the easiest ways to get hired right after you finish your program. So if you finish your program, you go to externship. If they're hiring, you do well, you have a job. Not every externship is hiring, but for the most part, a lot of people get jobs on their externship. So that already kind of lowers your chances right there. Again, doesn't make it impossible, but it does lower your chances. And then if you have no hands-on training, you're going to have to really put yourself out there and really market yourself as being teachable. As you're going to have to kind of go out to some private offices and leave your resume and talk to the hiring managers and kind of really put yourself out there as being teachable and willing to learn. And then, you got to go online and actually watch videos like mine to even learn how to do those clinical procedures that you need to know how to do. So, I just want to make sure I don't miss anything. But yeah, so it does. I just got to be honest about that. I can't, I know the way things are now, more and more schools are online only, but because we're clinical medical assistants, you need that hands-on experience, so what I recommend is, trying to see if you can get some externship hours at an office. I mentioned this in another video. Dress professionally, print out some copies of your resume, go around to some offices and let them know I'm fresh out of school. I will be willing to, work for you for a certain amount of hours to get those externship hours that I need. You can kind of present it in a way where, they're helping you, but you're also helping them, like they're getting free help. Let them know you're teachable, and you got to really let them know how well you did in school. So if you did really well in school, you're going to have to sell yourself in that way. I don't have the hands-on experience, but I was, 4.0 student. I was a 3.5 student, and things like that. So again, doesn't make it impossible, but it does make it more challenging. If you have not already entered a program, I do not recommend entering an online only program where you get no hands-on training. I know some of you guys are already in those programs. That's different. You're already there. You probably already paid your money. But for those of you that's watching this and thinking about entering an online only program, I do not recommend. And if you want to enter an online only program that is actually not online only, there is an online portion, and then you have days where you go in person. Even if it's a program where they send you kits, right? There's some programs now that will actually send you phlebotomy, injection kits, and suture removal kits, so that way you can actually learn with them virtually, okay? So even that, I'm not too crazy about, but that's better than no hands-on experience at all, okay? So I hope that answered your question, and anybody else who has the same questions. If you have any other questions about it and want me to talk about this a little bit more, I have no problem coming back to talk about it a little bit more. So thank you guys again for visiting my channel. You guys have a blessed day.